All right, welcome back to my channel. It's all that jazz. We're gonna be doing a gender prediction test, and to see if it's a girl, if it's like a iffy question, it's gonna be, we're gonna say girl boy if they're girls, or if it's girl boy or boy boy. So we have a couple tests that we're gonna try out to see what we haven't. All right. So Chinese calendar. Say hello. Say hello.
Alright.
Chinese calendar is based off of the mother's age of conception and then the conception month. So basically, I'm 25, and then the conception month would be January.
Yeah.
No, it'd be February. That's when they were conceived. He's saying the month of conception is January 25. It's saying a girl. I say it's February. It says boy. Oh, green is girl, blue is boy. What we putting? Cause you know.
Put boy. We just do February to be safe.
Oh my
For
god.
your ass.
Whatever. So we put in circle boy. Circle equals boy.
Alright.
What a terrible circle. All right. The second one is gonna be ring over belly. If the ring swings in a line or a circle, this is the sex of your child.
So a line is a girl and a circle is a boy.
Okay. Like a circle to
Circle,
me.
yeah. Circle is a boy.
Circle's a boy?
Yeah.
So ring over belly, boy. It went in a.
Circle.
All right. The next one is the eye vein test. So either I'm gonna show you my eyes,
Mm-hmm.
and then you're going to say which one you think has more veins.
If she has a V or a Y-shaped vein at the bottom of her left eyeball, it is a girl. If it's on the right eyeball, it is a boy.
Okay. So let's see. You can go. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show them, and then I'm gonna show you.
Got them on both.
Both.
Mm-hmm. But you wanna do who
So we're
got
gonna
more?
do both.
You wanna see who got more veins?
Okay, sure.
The left one.
And what's left?
Girl.
Girl. Okay. Left is girl. Boy and girl. They both veiny. What a circle. All right. So Moody versus Mellow. You're gonna tell me. Do you feel like I am 20 weeks now? No, 19 weeks. So do you feel like up till now I've been Moody or Mellow?
Mellow.
Mellow.
Yeah.
Okay. Mellow.
Ain't been too
much.
emotional, yeah.
I think I have though. We've had our emotional moments.
If she's been a little bit more moody, it is a girl. If she's been more mellow, it is a boy.
I've been mellow. Okay, I've been chill.
Yeah.
All right, now the next one is sleeping side. So if you sleep on your left side, or whatever side you wake up on, left is a boy,
Mm-hmm.
and then right is a girl. So I sleep on my.
I'll be off the bed, so I don't know.
You don't know what side I sleep on
No,
every night?
I'll be falling off the bed. You're kicking me off the bed.
You're still sleeping on the bed when I wake up though.
No.
You're still there.
I'm trying to survive.
You're still there.
I understand that.
So what side do I be facing, babe?
You should be facing the opposite side.
Okay, so what side is that?
That's the left side.
Okay, meaning it's a possible.
Boy.
All right. Mayan calendar for gender prediction.
Go
No,
back to sleeping on the couch.
no, I do not kick him off the bed. He's being dramatic.
What? How old were you?
25.
25 in February. It says male.
Male.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what we
I
got?
don't got no girls.
We got no. Yeah, one
I
possible.
got one possible.
Boy. Sleeping side. Boy, and then Mayan calendar. Boy.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we're skipping baking soda. So watch your partner's weight. Since I've gotten pregnant, we're just gonna go based off of that. So based off of, do you think you lost weight or gained weight since we found out that I was pregnant?
I've definitely lost weight.
You lost weight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it says.
If your partner is gaining weight alongside you, that could be a sign that you're carrying a girl. Opposite, if you're losing, probably carrying a boy.
You did gain in the beginning though, remember?
No, I was the same way I've always been before the quarantine. I maintained my weight. Now I've lost weight because I became a vegetarian.
Okay, I guess 2 boys.
No, there's cravings.
So basically, if I've been craving sweet, if I can remember right, it's a girl. No, it's a boy. No, okay, we're just gonna find out.
So if you're craving sweet things, you're having a girl. Salty or protein-rich foods, maybe a boy.
Okay, so I have been craving more salty pickles all the time. I think the sweetest is though cranberry. I do be craving cranberry, so we should put.
Not even all that sweet.
It's not all that sweet.
At least not sweet.
I don't crave candy like that though, or Sour Patch.
Okay.
So both. Both. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys predictions, 2 both predictions, and no only girl predictions. So looks like it could be 2 boys. So that'd
be wonderful.
Yeah, wouldn't it, huh?
Yeah.
You're not gonna pay attention to the video. Don't try to kiss me. Pay attention to the video. We almost done.
I'm paying attention as well.
He don't.
Moody versus Mellow. We may have to change it. Moody. You know what? Nah, you still a big baby. She's always been a big baby. Always.
Whatever.
So yeah, you've been more mellow. Because you really haven't like changed. You know, they warned, oh my gosh, she's gonna like do all this and do that. Oh my god! But really, you kept your act together. I appreciate that.
Whatever. All right, so that sums up this video. We might be having 2 boys, and we're gonna let y'all know in another video what we are actually having. So thanks so much for watching. Comment below your predictions and let us know what you think. All right, bye. Say bye to me.
Peace.